Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'm back as promised. My cash cow postcards have arrived. As you can see, I've got 1,000 of these bad boys. They're in color. They are beautiful, okay? This is thick cardstock paper. Here they are, okay? Check them out. Now, this program is a postcard program, okay? It's called the Cash Cow. It was actually created last year, 2019, okay? This particular program pays you 100 bucks on 2 tiers, okay? As it states on here, you get 2 tiers. So you're going to get some leverage with this one, okay? It's $300 to get in the program, okay? 300 bucks. You're going to send 3 money orders in each person's name. You're going to send 300 to me. You're going to send 100 to me, box 1, 100 to the person in box 2, and 100 to the company. 3 separate money orders, and you mail them to that address that's on the postcard, okay? Now, it will include in your package, as it states on here, you're gonna get 100 postcards just like these in color. You're going to receive 64 ways to increase mail order profits, okay? And you're gonna get a mailing list directory and a full color postcard ordering form, okay? So it's gonna come with 100 postcards. Now, I've got a special deal that I'm gonna do going forward. I just started this. I'm going to give you guys, it doesn't come with any leads, but I'm gonna give you 200 leads. That's right. If you join me in the Cash Cow, I'm gonna give you 200 leads to get you started. So the company's gonna mail you 100 postcards, and I'm gonna send you 200 leads. Because this is powerful, guys. These $100 commissions on 2 tiers can add up very quickly, okay? Because think about it. Everybody that signs up with you, your name is going to be in box 2 on their postcard. So when they mail their postcards, they're mailing for you at the same time. So just think, if you had just 10 people, right? All 10 people are going to have your name in box 2. What if you get someone, think about the potential, this is not a guarantee of income, I'm just showing you the possibility of something like this. What if you get someone that's a go-getter that signs up with you and they say, you know what, I'm gonna mail out 1,000 postcards or 2,000, and that means your name is in box 2 on all those postcards that go out, okay? So that's what you want to look at. You never know who's gonna sign up and just take off with this thing. All right, so you're not working by yourself. You're working off your team's efforts. Every time your team makes $100, you make $100. So again, I'm going to give you 200 leads if you join me in this program, the Cash Cow. Now, I've also upped the ante on the Tycoon. That's my other program, Postcard Tycoon, okay? With the Tycoon, this program pays out 300 per sale. Okay, with this one. Now, this one is 2 money orders. 300 will go to me if you join me, and 198 will go to the company. But with this one, it comes with leads and postcards. Okay, you're gonna get 250 leads with it, and 250 postcards, and you get a website. Okay. And on every 5th sale, as it states right here, you get 500 free postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps for life on every 5th sale. Now, what I am doing is everybody that joins me in this, I'm going to put your picture on the card. It doesn't come this way, but I'm going to do it for you if you join me in the Tycoon. And I've upped the ante. On this one, I was giving away 250 leads because that's what comes with your package. Now I'm going to give you 400 leads if you join me in the Tycoon. Okay? So that means you're going to get 250 plus 400. Okay? So that's 650 leads you're gonna get if you join me in the Tycoon. The company's gonna send you 250 and I'm gonna send you 400. Okay? If you join me in the Cash Cow, I'm gonna give you 200 leads. Okay? So you decide. The Cash Cow does not have a website. Okay? The Tycoon gives you a website, but the Cash Cow doesn't. It's just a straight mailing program. Okay? So you decide which one you want to come in at. Look at these cards. Okay, they both come with 24/7 information lines. You can call them up, check them out. And here's the one for the Tycoon, the 857 number. But check me out, the postcarddiva.com for the Tycoon. If you want the Cash Cow postcard, you're going to have to contact me and I will email it right over to you. Okay? And remember, mail your payments in, guys. Priority mail so you can track it. Okay? But if you want to do the Tycoon, I can accept your payment electronically, the $300, but you still need to mail the company their money order of $198. Okay? So let's talk about it. Let's get you started with postcard marketing. This stuff works if you stick with it. Okay? And we've got the right mailing list. That's the other key. Okay? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.